Hello everyone, this is Jeremy from Bull Brakes. Today I'm going to introduce an advanced brake pad finishing line to you. This is a design and implementation of a fully automated production line for passenger car brake pads, grinding, scorching to powder coating, tailored to meet the requirements of high efficiency, precision, and flexibility. Design capacity of this line is about 30 pieces per minute. Layout required is 7 by 30 meter and it is customized to customer space. The line integrates advanced grinding, vision, guided robotics, surface scorching treatment, electrostatic coating technologies, and thermal processing to achieve a seamless workflow and consistent quality at the same time, which presenting AO qualified brake pads production finishing line.